Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for a breakdown will make it okay. There's always some good reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction or a beautiful release. Memories sip through my veins. Let me be empty. Oh, and way less, and maybe I find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark cold hotel room, and the endlessness that you feel. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie, but in the arms of the angel, may you find some comfort here.
Iauna noa oe te mana ia whaahau i te to maha e tumu iho ato te ino ia tapi amaru ia te ora vau tahi te aputai tō ua ia pau vau o te ara ai peaha mo e au te eru i te rima o te aitu ma ue a te a no te piha ara oe mai tomo e i tō ai turima oe ia ara oe i reira.
Of the angel, may you find some comfort here.